Pressure is again mounting for the 6 parliamentarians being investigated for illicit enrichment to reveal themselves. Opposition parliamentarians have indicated they have not received letters from the Integrity Commission regarding that investigation. On Thursday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said so far, none of the government parliamentarians he has spoken to is being investigated for the crime. He also defended the gag order on the Integrity Commission and government parliamentarians, arguing that due process should be observed. Speaking on RJR's That's a Wrap program today, former Roman Catholic priest Michael Lewis said keeping the names a secret would lead to more public distrust in the political system.
Justice must be served, due process must be observed, but at the same time, we have to do things more and more in Jamaica where we build the confidence of the ordinary people of our country. And right now, dare I say, how this is being perceived, it just don't look right. It don't look right, it don't feel right, it don't smell right. Because it feels as if the public, again, is being kept at arm's length, is being pushed away from what could potentially be something that is going to, shake our people up.
Attorney at law Clive Monroe Jr. argues that flaws in the Integrity Commission Act are contributing to the issue.
If you read the particular section 53 of the Integrity Commissions Act, it is, the heading on it says restriction on disclosure. It is largely designed for that purpose. Even though it gives itself an exception that says that if there no law, save and except for all of the restrictions stated in the section, no law shall apply to the Integrity Commission as it relates to other disclosures. But that's like a worm eating an apple from the inside out. It looks nice on the outside, but it's hollow at the core. The problem with this, really, once you cut past all of this, and I agree with Michael, it don't look good. At the end of the day, the question is about control versus autonomy. To what extent are you going to allow the autonomy to allow for the transparency that allows for the curing of the mistrust and the distrust?